Hi, my name is Abhinav Jha, and today we'll be talking about the updated filters in the UI. It's a new enhancement that CDGC is going to be going forward with. Why is it required? It's actually to make sure that it's going to be consistent with all other scanners. Let's proceed with looking at the updated filter UI section for ADLS Gen 2. We're going to go ahead and create a new connection. And once we have this, we're going to go ahead and select the name. Once we have those details entered out, this connection is being pulled from the administrator. I'm going to go ahead and click Next. And the main changes you'll see are in the filter conditions. Before we used to have 4 fields, now we only have 3. And let's proceed with an example to running a random file. Go ahead, save. And then we'll proceed to run. Also, as an example, I do want to mention that we can support all types of filter criteria via folders as well, and you can also use special characters as well to help you run scans as well. So for the second part of this demo, I'd like to touch base on, say, for example, a Oracle scanner, the changes that were made over here. And create. And we're going to proceed to fill in the information. All right, once we have those entered, we go ahead and click Next. And we're going to go ahead and add some filter conditions. And as you can see, there are much more filter conditions that we can add to add a bit more granularity. And these are all the types of object types we can add to the Oracle scanners. For example, we can add a couple filter criteria. So if we just do the add button, and we can add a total of 3, and they can either be tables, views, and we can go ahead and add another view. And there will be basically as such, we can just go and add Oracle. So and as you can see, we have a couple filters created, and you can go ahead and click on include metadata. And would like to conclude the example that you can also add many outlier characters to search everything that you need, and this is a applicable filter that you can add. So that concludes our demo, and I'd like to bring your attention to the filter conditions that each of the scanners have, and we'll go over them briefly in the next couple slides. So as you can see, before in the ADLS Gen 2, we had a couple of filter criteria, but now if you expand that drop-down menu, you'll see that now we have a lot more capabilities and that will add to the granularity to the filter conditions. And such is the case with the Amazon S3, the Google BigQuery, and also, as you can see now, we have ways to do it with stored procedures as well, and before we couldn't. And Snowflake, SQL Server Family, Oracle, and the Azure Synapse. And all of these will definitely provide a lot more help when we are trying to scan the data, and we can definitely give full qualified path, and not only that, we can use wildcards to help our data and achieve the scan results that we want. We would definitely love to hear from you, and there's 2 ways you can reach out to us, either from our DL support videos at informatica.com or the Twitter. Thank you so much. Bye.